Cherry, go! Today's Cherry Challenge!
Today's Cherry Challenge! The Japanese Dragon Challenge. Today's challenge, in no particular time frame, is to try and set off a fire alarm using only dry ice and some well-trained nostrils. Can our hero set off the alarm? Here's his preparation. Some water into the ample mouth. A chunk of dry ice. Please do not try this at home. This is a very dangerous, very dangerous challenge. And here goes the Japanese dragon. He's snorting. He's snorting. He's snorting from those huge nostrils. I don't think the fire alarm's going to work in this ridiculous... Oh, there it is! The alarm's been set off. Fire! It's a fire! It's a fire! The machine's saying in Japanese. What a fantastic end to this ridiculous challenge. And Mr. Cherry, who's had no firefighting training whatsoever, seems very excited by this one.
Thankyoucherrymuch!